Are you falling for these crypto myths that cost people thousands? In today's video, I'll expose the biggest misconceptions that keep investors broke. Every bull run, millions of new investors jump into crypto expecting overnight wealth. Then, when prices drop, they panic, sell, and swear they'll never touch it again. The problem isn't crypto, it's misunderstanding how it works. These myths keep people stuck in a cycle of fear and missed opportunity. Myth number 1, crypto is a get-rich-quick scheme. Reality, crypto is a long-term technology revolution, not a lottery ticket. Smart investors think in cycles, accumulating in bear markets and taking profits in bull runs. Myth number 2, every coin has potential. Reality, 95% of projects fail. Focus on solid projects with real-world utility and strong teams. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and select others. Diversify but don't gamble blindly. Myth number 3, security doesn't matter. Reality, billions are lost yearly due to scams and hacks. No matter how much you make, if your wallet isn't secure, it's gone. Treat crypto security as your number 1 rule. Myth number 4, it's too late to start. Reality, blockchain is still early. Institutional adoption, tokenization, and decentralized finance are just beginning. It's not too late. It's early if you start smart. If you want the best crypto and finance tools, check out the link in the description area and don't forget to follow Darlington Academy for tips to protect your money and grow your wealth in the world of crypto, personal, and global finance.